Hello, this is Woody with Service Rental in Paris. Today we're going to be going over the cart-mounted demo hammer or the CTS 12 ripper stripper. First we're going to go over a few of the safety information. It does have a lot of physical exertion to it. Your noise is going to be over 70 decibels, so we do recommend wearing some type of hearing protection. You will have flying debris, so we do recommend wearing a pair of safety glasses of some sort to protect your eyes. Also, if you have anything on the floor that you've tried removing the adhesive with, be sure to get it up because it does create sparks and it can create an explosion hazard. This machine is designed to utilize different tool configurations. Any of the industrial standard 1 1/8" hexagon to 6-inch shank will work on this machine. Your standard 1 to 3 inch wide chisels are for most applications involving removal of ceramic tile and glued down type hardwood flooring. Your wider flat chisel, 4 or 5 inch width, it's going to help remove thin set. These are also used on the demo hammers where you use to take up asphalt, stuff like that. Your scraper blades, they're going to come in a 5.5, an 8, and 12 inch. You're going to need to use this bit as a holder to hold them. Your scraper blades are going to be used for taking up thin set, mastic, adhesive removal, and general material buildup removal. The use of the scraper blades on wood and certain subfloors can result in excessive damage to the work surface. And as a general rule of operation, when you run your scraper blades, you're going to want to run those at a higher angle relative to the work surface for most material and thin set removal. Okay, now once you select your correct bit that you want to use, today we're going to be using the 12-inch wide one. Lean your cart on the back, be sure it's unplugged so it does not accidentally get turned on. It's just going to slide right in here. And then this little collar is going to come over the top of it, and it's locked in place. Removal, simply flip that up, pull that out. Once you have that established, you're going to pick it back up. You have your 110 power cord. If you're going to run it on an extension cord, we do suggest running a heavy duty extension cord. This does have a pretty long cord on it, so you may not need an extension cord with it. You do have a few adjustments on it. You can adjust the height of the handle for the individual. Lock those back down. You do have your angle adjustment on the machine, which is going to be this handle here. You're going to pull the little red button, squeeze it, and adjust it whatever angle that you need it. You do have, this one here should always stay on, but just in case it does not work, this is going to be one of the things to check. Be sure this is turned on. Once you have it plugged in, you have an on and off switch here. You also have a test and reset button on here. Go ahead and get it plugged in. And as you're using it, you're going to be sure to keep the cord behind you. That way it doesn't get caught up in the blade. And it's just going to be as simple as turning it on. And as you're going into stuff, taking up your material, you're just going to be pushing forward, and it's going to have a jackhammering effect to it. And that's all we have on that today.